What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something insane. We have a $25,000 mystery box from Project Blitz, and this mystery box is full of sneakers from the man himself, Travis Scott. Yeah! But it's not just Travis Scott sneakers, it is shoes that Travis Scott has bought exclusively from Project Blitz. Every shoe in here, Travis himself bought from Project Blitz. Now, he pretty much shops I don't know if it's exclusively or what, at Project Blitz. He's like, it's like the main place he buys all his sneakers from, so I'm excited to see what we have in here, and I can't imagine what's in here. So I'm wondering if there's like regular Travis, whatever. So I'm excited to see that. We got some information on Project Blitz as well. You guys know we did a $50,000 mystery box. Instead if it gets 50,000 likes, I'll do a $100,000 mystery box, and you guys did it. And you know, I bet you guys have been saying, where's the mystery box at? Well, logistically, it's hard to ship a $100,000 package, so I have just got word today that it's gonna be happening in the next like week or two possibly. So look out for that 100,000. Biggest hypebeast mystery box on YouTube for sure, a legit mystery box. And yeah, let's go ahead and open up this $20,000 mystery box. Let's go. Like I said in the last video, I'm gonna be holding myself accountable with sneakers. So the shoes I'm wearing today are the, I can't even remember the name of them. They're the Jordan 1 Zoom. This is like the newer model that came out. It's kind of like the cheap Dior's basically. And I like this shoe, and I talked really good about them, but they hurt my feet really bad. I think it's a patent leather or something. These are very uncomfortable to wear. Somebody had to take these off while we're filming because I've tried over the past day. They're not breaking in, and I don't know, they just hurt. All right, we're finally opening up the box. We're gonna go for it. There's actually 2 giveaway shoes in here as well. I can't remember, I gotta find out what it is once we actually open it up, but we're gonna go ahead and see what we got in here. 2 giveaways. We also have other giveaways going on right now too. We have the Friends and Family Chunky Dunkies, and we also have the Sean Witherspoon Air Max 97 ones, so those will be linked down below as well. Now, like I've done in the past with these, is I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a preview, like a little, nothing too crazy. If there's packaging and all that in the way, then I'm not gonna do anything about it. Why do I've been like, you would think by now I'd be pro at unboxing, but struggle. All right, let's see. I'm not gonna look, but you guys are gonna look and get a little preview here. Now I'm gonna see, actually, yep, there's nothing blocking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. Nick, do you see some crazy stuff?
Just a couple Nike boxes and one with a design. I can't tell what it is.
Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead. I guess I'll pull the first one out. All right, I can say here, okay, the top 2 right here, this is going to be the giveaway items because I remembered. Now that's why, yes, that makes sense now. 2 giveaway items are on top. We have, if you don't know this box right here, we have the Air Force One Clot. This is a really, oh, it's my size too. You guys be getting my size in all these giveaways. Let's go ahead and pull these out. We'll obviously go, oh my gosh, these are fire. Okay, I kind of want these. Can't get them out. Look at that, the Clot Air Force One. Those colors are crazy. And if you guys know that this is a cutaway material, you see the underneath. I'm not gonna do that because this is gonna be one of your guys' pairs. That is the first pair for the giveaway, and this is the second pair right here. This is a Jordan 1 Mid. Yup, let's go ahead and pull these out. If you haven't seen these before, I believe I know which one. Oh, these are, I haven't seen these in person. These are the Clot Air Force One Jordan 1. Check that out. It's like this swoosh that's stitched, and the stitching slowly gets farther away. I wonder if this has the cutaway material as well. It's got like this crazy like thing on the circle right there. I don't even know what that is. 2 pairs of shoes to give away right there. 2 separate winners. These ones right here are going for about the same price, about 450 bucks. So really cool, both of these shoes. We'll pick 2 separate winners for that. The rules for this giveaway are very simple. Like all the other giveaways, you have to 1, subscribe to the channel, 2, follow me on Instagram, 3, follow Project Blitz on Instagram. Number 4, leave a comment on this post that is up on the screen, tagging 2 friends. We'll be picking 2 winners from that in 2 weeks time. So today is this will probably come out on the 21st. So whatever that 2 weeks from that, it's gonna be up on the screen. I'm very bad with dates. So that's the giveaway. We're gonna put these to the side, leave them for you guys to see while we're unboxing. I wanted to hop in here really quick and let you guys know that Project Blitz is doing a Blitz strike coming up where they're dropping shoes for $50 to $100 under the market value. These are some of the top releases right now. You can go ahead and check out their Instagram stores. I think it's happening today. So go ahead and check that out, link down below. Coming around front here, and we're now going to get into the shoes that Travis Scott has bought from Project Blitz. Now, I can think of few. I'm gonna try to put up every picture of him wearing that specific shoe. I can think of one specifically. It's the Neapolitan SB, and that's one that I had, was a size 9.5, and I tried to make it work. It didn't work, but we'll keep pulling out and see what we have. And of course, we're gonna have some SBs, and I kind of just saw something on here that's kind of, ooh, 10.5. Some of the dunks are tight on me in that size, but let's go ahead and see what, oh my gosh. This is crazy. If you can see that, they should have put that on there. Oh, okay, I've never seen these in person before, or up close in person before. We have a pair of what These are insane. Okay, I've never, this is, oh my, in my size, a lot of the dunks, I feel like the older dunks came in like size 10 and 9.5, but like this, oh, I can't tell. I feel like they, I don't know. No, they're not dead stock. I can see on the bottom right there. But check how crazy these are. Oh my, this is like my favorite part, the tie-dye right there. Check that, there's so many different materials. This is such an iconic dunk. Just for all the materials in general, that's crazy. I wonder what Travis' size is, if he's like around the same size, like 10.5 or something like that. I swear these are going for like 10K right now. We're gonna put up the price counter up on the screen here and show you guys what the current market value is. Just our rough estimate of the market value from what my knowledge and my research, but this is insane. Pretty gas. The gold SB box, that's nuts. So like we've been doing, I want to put them up on the shelf just to showcase more than just what I already have. This is probably the craziest shoe in my collection right now. On this shelf, this is the craziest shoe. We're gonna keep moving. Shoe number one, I think there's about 10 sneakers total. I don't know if that includes the giveaway, but let's go ahead and keep moving. We got all the bubble wrap. I'm not a big fan of the popcorn, the bubble popcorn, but feels like we have a shoe with no box here. Let's see what we have. This feels like another SB, another dunk. Ooh. Oh, this is like 2 shoes. Hold on. Oh my. I thought these are the Brazil Dunks, but they're not. Oh, let's pull these nicely wrapped. These are dead stock. These are so, okay, forget the Brazil Dunks. These are fire. Look at the materials on that. I'm gonna pull out the second pair. If you guys didn't see or haven't seen it, it says Buck on the back. And I believe that these are made in honor of Phil Knight, University of Oregon. And these are insane. I have not even seen these in person. I don't even know what the market value is on these, if I'm being honest. If I had to put a guess out there at 2,000-3,000, but we know a dead stock pair with this dunk wave coming back, that's crazy. Check out the details on that. That suede is just beautiful. So on this one, I just researched it. The last sale was $1,000 for this specific size dead stock on StockX. So that's actually pretty solid. It's not like too unrealistic. For me, when I look at like crazy shoes, to see something that's realistic for me to wear, $10,000 shoe is hard for me to wear. And that's why my last video with the Dior ones got 50,000 likes and now I have to buy a $10,000 pair of shoes. But these, I feel like is a more realistic one and that colorway is sick. Would you rather have this or the Brazils? I don't know, for the price point, maybe the Brazils.
When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my.
I actually want to pull up the What the Dunks on StockX and see what they're going for brand new. Size 11, brand new, 12,500. Last sale, 8,000. So, oh my, that's crazy. Rather wear those or wear the Dior ones? I don't know. What's gonna be a more iconic shoe in 10 years? Probably the What the Dunk. Gonna put these here, got SpongeBob matching. I really like those, they're clean. We're gonna now pull out the second pair that was wrapped up and see what they are. Is it, I wonder if it's another, yup. We got the green lobsters here. I've had the red lobsters, the blue lobsters. I've never had the green pair, and I wonder if this is a DS pair. It's so interesting to see all the different materials from these different dunks, because if you see like this one, it's got like a very fine nubuck on the tongue, and it's got like a splatter around. The inside's got like the clovers, it looks like, the green. These are nuts. It's got like a stained dye. I've never been a huge fan of this particular lobsters. For some reason, I don't know, maybe it's the materials, but I've had a couple pairs and I never ended up keeping them. I wore them a few times, I never ended up keeping them long term, so maybe that's just me. I think I sold my blue lobsters like $350 or $400. This is a while ago though, so this is a cool pair, and I don't know if they're dead stock, because one of the things I try to look for is like the laces, but I feel like maybe not. Yeah, they're not. They've been cleaned if you check out the bottom there, but that green color is pretty cool. I like that green better, if I'm being honest. They're a cool pair, but we need to do some price researching on here. So this exact size is going for $1,050, last sale $900. Now they have one with like the crazy box, and this is from the 18 release, so a little bit newer of a release, and that's probably why it's saying about 1,000, but cool sneaker here. If I had to pick out of the ones we've got so far, of course, it's gonna be What the Dunks, and I don't know if anything's gonna beat that. So we're looking right there. The What the Dunks is hard to price out. That's just like an iconic. Pricing out, we put like 2,000, I don't know, like 10,000 so far. We're not even halfway there maybe. So here we go. I guess Travis is buying a lot of dunks because we have a pink dunk box. Let's see what we got. Size 12. We got a date on here. I don't know what that says. All right, we got a size 12 UK, yep, there we go. The Neapolitan, dead stock too. I love this shoe, I really do. I wore a size 9.5. I'm a size 11 to squeeze because I wanted them so bad and I couldn't do it. It hurt my feet. Like that was just the hype beast me. This is a dead stock pair. Dead stock, these are going for too much right now. You know why I call them the Neapolitan? They were, in my knowledge, modeled after the Neapolitan colors. They're really called the Stussy Cherries, but I just call them the Neapolitans. Guess what I like? Brand new size 12. Right now is $4,000. Highest bid $1,500. Last sale $3,200. That's $3,200 right there. The colors on this is just amazing. The brown and the pink is just complements so well. I really want a beat pair. Like I want a between beat pair. Dead stock pairs for me, something is in me, just it hurts to dead stock them. And so if I don't do it right when I get them, I never really do it. So I think a pair in the middle for this, or like $700-800, you can find a used pair, but can't stop saying how much I love these. If you guys remember when I got these, how much I love them. So that's 4 pairs so far. We got some heat. Let's see how much we can top it. Another, looks like, ooh, we got some OG stuff in here. Let's pull these out. I see something yellow. Very packaged nicely. Shout out Project Blitz. This is sick. This next shoe is a shoe that very similar to shoes that have come out recently. Oh my. This is one of the best Nike SBs. Oh my, they're dead stock. This is one of the best in my opinion. They're just so crazy. Oh, size 11. These, I cannot believe these are dead stock. The Papa Bear Nike SBs. These are sick. Look at the inside there. Get the nice little bear in there. The yellow outsole. These are the craziest shoes. They're just the fur. It is so soft. It's just like a teddy bear. Kind of looks like a little bit of denim here, but it's like a nubuck. And then you got the tongue there. Back in the day, they were going crazy with the dunks, and the Papa Bears definitely came back, and I cannot imagine what these are going for now. A dead stock pair, size 11. Usually when I get these boxes, the sizes are kind of all over the place. They're all like my size. Last sale. This is $2,000. $1,600 was the last sale. I thought it'd be a little bit crazier than that, but dead stock. And these came out back in 2006. 14 years old. Dang, no box, but dead stock Papa Bears. Insane. These are probably about the same price right now. Which ones are you guys taking? Strange Loves or the Papa Bears? Nick, what about you? What do you think? You're taking the Strange Loves.
Strange Loves for sure.
Nick loves the Strange Love. I paid I paid $380 for mine. I got a really good deal. Let's keep moving and keep going. Next up, ooh, a pair that I've had a couple times now. I wonder if this is a dead stock. A little bit lightly used, but this is in a good condition compared to the ones that I've had. I've had a dead stock pair of these, and I've had a very beat pair of these where like this is faded. This is the SB Unkle. Now some people are calling them different names when I show them. As you can see right there, they might be dead stock actually, because the way that they're laced, yeah, the inside, you can see on the inside says Mo Wax. I've owned 2 pairs of these so far, and this is one that I wasn't super in love with. Like, it's cool, but the design is not something that I'm like crazy over. So I would pick some of the other ones over these, but these are going for around $1,600, I believe. The size that I had was a big size. It didn't go for much. Brand new, the SB Unkle. I'm an idiot. They're going for a lot more right now. $3,000 for this one right here. I think I sold my size 14 for like $1,400. That's why I said that. $3,000 for a brand new size 11. These are cool. Not my favorite, if we're being honest, and I'm obviously gonna be transparent about that, but I would take the Neapolitans, the Stussies over these. Probably just in my opinion, even though they're similar colors. As I pull these off, I like to show you guys the shoes that I have on there. My OG Tiffany Dunks. This is one I'm glad I kept. These are like very nicely worn in. I need to wear these more. I have too many shoes. Like I telling you guys, I sell so many shoes and I try to consolidate so I'll wear more, and I just can never find the time of day to wear all these shoes, especially because you can't really go anywhere right now. So let's keep moving. We got all boxes next, and this is an OG Nike box. Check that out. If you guys remember when the Nikes used to come in this, now this is an SB size 9, a little bit small, black cement gray. Dang, this is, oh, what year was this? This is a worn pair of the SP Supremes. Now, these look a lot more old, like a lot older and more beat than the pair that I had. I don't know, they're worn, but they're not like crazy worn. It's just, I guess I've never seen this colorway in person, so I don't even know how much these are going for. I know the other one's like $4,000, I believe, right around there. But this right here, a size 9, 6,000, last sale 2,000. 6,000 brand new, 3,700. That's crazy. Used on Dunks, it's a little bit different because it's such an older shoe and the value fluctuates so much, but this is a cool one here. I've actually had a pair of these Supreme SBs before, but they didn't have a box. It was no box, and so this box threw me off. Size 9, so a little bit smaller. We've been on a run of 11s, but a little bit smaller here. Look at my pile of shoes. That looks pretty fire. All right, let's see. We got a couple boxes left. We have another one here. I wonder if this is the red pair. They have the same box. Looks like this is a bigger size 10.5, Anther Kit black. No. Ooh, honestly, I don't even know what these are. There's like is that a cross on them? Another one of those OG boxes, assuming this is from early back in like the 2000s as well. This is a 2002 as well, same release year, but I don't know what these are. Ooh, check that out, the gum bottom there. This one is stumping me. I don't know what these are called. So I've been doing a little bit of research on these, and these are the Dunk chocolates. Now, when we pull up, there's no size, you can't even buy a size right now on StockX. The last sale was $2,200. The highest bid 3,700. You can't even find them on there, but I don't even know. And these are, I guess, yeah, these are dead stock pair. Look, the laces are up there. They're out of stock on Flight Club. That's crazy. I don't even know much about these. Oh, so this is a collaborative sneaker, which Nick is gonna like this. This is what he used to skate back in the day, between chocolate and Nike. So this is a chocolate Nike Dunk. It doesn't even really look like it from what the designs are, but that's pretty sick. I guess that's across there, but you got the gum bottoms. This is a clean colorway, but this doesn't really stand out too much to me. It's like a darker colorway with the gum bottom. It's clean, but for a couple $1,000, crazy.
It's almost like I knew before you even figured out what the name was, because I always loved my chocolate decks the best.
Nick always skated chocolate, I always skated Baker. I love the big logo Baker. So we're gonna put this to the side, and it looks like we only have 2 sneakers left. Yep, 2 sneakers, and we have 2 Dunk boxes. One is like the Tiffany colorway, and then one is very interesting one. I've never seen that before. Put this to the side. Let's go for the box that I do know. It's a smaller size, Nike SB Low Pro OGS Bolt Purple. Yep, this is a more recent release of the purple Lobsters. This is a dead stock pair and comes with the different like straps for like the lobsters. You know, when you go to the store and you see the lobsters in the tank and they've got like the things around their claws, that's what these are to represent on the purple pair. I've had a lot of these and I've had them in my size, and I don't know, this purple for some reason doesn't hit for me. Like some of the other purple shoes, like Travis Scott Jordan 4 Friends and Family purple, that's a little bit different. But I believe these are in the 600 range. It surprised me last time. So a size, wow, these keep shooting up. $1,150. I swear I bought a pair for 300 bucks. Size 11, these are going crazy. I can't believe that, because this is a little more recent release. Pretty clean on those. Honestly, to say I've had like 5 pairs of those, if I'm being honest. But last one here is, this is a really interesting box. I see a little tag on here that says Futura on it. Check this out. Got the front there, it looks like about 8 by a mouse maybe, or like a dog or something like that. And then the front is like a gray box, but it has like a brownish logo there. So let's go ahead and pull these out. I feel like I've seen these before, and I'm probably underplaying these right now. I guess, are these a Futura SB? This is an old pair. Yes, this is a Futura SB, and they're going, let's see, brand new, going for, prices vary a lot, but $4,000 for a size 10, last sale $2,200. And this is a dead stock pair. Having dead stock sneakers from this long ago is insane. 2003, so a lot of OGs, so I'm assuming Travis has been rocking these. I have not seen him personally rock these, but the leather on here is pretty cool. These colors are a little bit interesting. It's kind of like a tealish with a dark blue and a gray with like nice nubuck on it. Very weird, but pretty cool actually. Wow, I need the What the Dunks. I'm ready to get rid of all these other pairs for the What the or for, dead stock pair of the Neapolitan. I don't know, man. I can't wear dead stock. I feel so bad. So I tried to kind of rank these, and I put them on the table as kind of like my ranking of from my favorite to my least favorite. My favorite here, then we got these, and then we got the Papa Bears, the Bucks, and then we got the chocolates, then the Futuras, then the purple lobsters, and then the green lobsters. I told you guys the lobsters for some reason don't do it for me, but I actually forgot these 2 pairs right here. They were just down on the bottom, harder to see. So it's kind of hard to gauge, but I would say these are my top 4 right here, and these are 4 that I would wear all these. These, it's a little bit harder on that end, and it's so hard to price older Dunks too, just because it's like, it's what somebody's willing to pay. But Travis came in and I assume cashed out on all these shoes right here, because these are shoes that he's worn, so these are kind of sick. But again, you guys will have seen all the different photos of like if he'd worn them and has been seen in them, but I've definitely seen him in these, I've definitely seen him in these, definitely seen him in these, but the other ones not so much. So pretty interesting to see, but shout out Project Blitz. Look out for this 100K box soon. It's gonna be insane. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison.